previously we have done scope export thing, like we have exported our table from Hdfs into our MySQL using scope. So today we are going to see how do we uh, copy our log file from our local system into our Hdfs using Flume. So for that, okay, we will go through little bit of Flume. That is Flume is nothing but we can use Flume to used to extract data from different sources, like from various web sources like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and various logs are generated, like that is the streaming data. And to copy that streaming data into our Hdfs, we need that Flume. So today for Flume, okay, firstly what you have to do is that you have to install Flume into your system. So after installation, then you can check the version of your Flume using this command Flume ng version. So yeah, my Flume version is 1.9.0. So for copying log file, so I have created some log file here, like this is my log file kernel that log, and I am going to copy this file into my Hdfs using Flume. So for that we have to make some configuration file uh, and here I have already created my configuration file, so I will going to explain about it. Yeah, here I am using the source agent as the tail, and I have named the agent channel name as channel 2, and for moving that data into our Hdfs, we need a sync, and I have named it as sync 1. So the type of sources tail execution is execution, and here I have to provide my path of that file, that is kernel log file, and that is inside my home request kernel.log1, and for sourcing I am using channel 2, and for syncing here I am defining Hdfs because I am copying this data into my Hdfs. So in Hdfs I have used the localhost 9000 as an and the file directory name as flume01, and here my file type, that is data stream, and I have set my roll interval as 60, and the type of channel is a memory channel. So here we go, let us copy, and for before that what we can do is that we can see in our localhost is there any file or not named Flume. So here you can see that there is no name Flume. So we will now copy our log file into our Hdfs. For that we have to first go inside our Flume directory, that let me cd into Apache, and inside Apache we have called cd Flume. So after going inside that, so now we have to type a command to run that agent, okay, that config file. So I will type bin and Flume ng and space agent. Then I have to provide my conf file and conf file. Then I have to provide formatting and conf file, that is inside our Flume that conf slash and name of the agent is agent1, and I have to deflume root that logger, and it will log as a debug file. So command, that is main Flume agent. Name of the agent, we have to provide that path of that config file here, and the logger as a debugger file. So let me run this command and let's copy our file. So here you can see that this process is begin, and that command is processed here, and first it will use some some channel, that is channel 2, and for copying data it will use sync to copy the data. So here I am my file size is for about 1.3 or 5 MB. So it will process my data. Now wait for that process to be complete. Now we can check it inside our SDFs. Also there is a folder created, Flume01. So inside that it is copying first data into temp. So after that it will process that writing process. It will process the write process. So here it has processed. Now I think we have successfully completed our copying of data. So now we can see there is it has successfully copied our data. So that's it for now. We have successfully copied our log file, or you can say text file, into our SDFS system using Flume. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I don't want to cancel it.